Hi, welcome to Encycle Hub. In this video, we are discussing the questions paper of Sindhi. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers of all the papers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you want this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen, 900-936-8238. And if you are new on this channel, you can subscribe it and like this video. Here, question number 1 to 6 that we are discussing here. So 1, 2 and 3 all are for 40 to 60 words, but question number 4 and question number 5, which is 100 to 150 words. But question number 6, this is a project based questions. I think this is a pariyojana, means a project based, and actually we have prepared all the answers on the Sindhi language. If you want these questions, you can contact us anytime. We are here for help you for 24/7. Thank you so much for watching, and we will meet you soon in the next video.